I said 2026 was going to be my year. My year. I've been in the gym. I've been getting healthy mentally, physically, spiritually. And even though I have dental insurance, 15 grand to fix my broken smile. And I just don't have that. And I am so tired of hiding my joy. I was tired of not smiling as big as I wanted to or laughing as much as I wanted to. And pop on veneers. I was hesitant. I was scared. But let me tell you how amazing they are. That easy. That easy. Look. I love it. I'm so grateful. Do it. You won't regret it. Growing up, I had a nice smile. But as I've gotten older, my dental health has just declined. And I got tired of hiding my joy. I got tired of making sure I'm not smiling too big or laughing too hard or being in people's faces as I work customer service and trying my best not to let them see my insecurity, my biggest insecurity. And pop-ons made it so incredibly easy. So incredibly easy to not hide my joy. I don't hide my joy anymore. I can smile as big as I want to, and the confidence that I've gotten back can't be matched.